Okay, I got this white 3rd gen 4runner here that I picked up for scrapping, and the hatch won't open from the outside. So I'm inside it. I try to get some light in here the best I can and show you how to do this in case yours ever gets stuck. Just pop that little cap off there that covers. There's a 10mm screw right there. And we'll get that real quick with this. That's the only fastener that holds this rear hatch on. I got a little hook tool like this, a Brad Polar's what it actually is, but it's great for all kinds of different stuff. You can reach in under the bottom, get your carpet out of the way, grab this cover here and just pop it loose. It's just held on with clips, so you just pop it loose. It kind of sounds a little violent, but it's really not. It just pops off there. It's held on by clips. That's how you'd get it off if it was open. Jiggle it around a little and get it to let go of your window. Well, there we go. It's supposed to be that difficult. That part's supposed to go easy. So you get that off of there, and then you got all these little 10mm screws holding this black panel on here. So let me get that off real quick, and then I can get to how you get this thing off of there. So this one's kind of shut halfway and halfway not. It won't go all the way shut. It won't come open. So I know you can get into the latch mechanism from in here. This 3 little clips here hold this in place while you get your screws ready. And just pop that off. There's a rubber piece here to hold your wires. You're going to need to pull that out. It's kind of a bear to get it back in, but I'll show you when it's time to put it back together. Okay, now we get my light in here the best I can. Down there where this orange thing is here that you can see, let me get a light that will stay down there. Sorry. Yeah, that won't work. That little orange or little purple thing, pink thing, orange thing, whatever the hell color it is, down there, that holds these. Well, that one wasn't even on there, stuck together anymore. That's like a keep the weather out of that mechanism. That black part there's supposed to be stuck together. This one just, its sticky's gone. But it was still sitting in its place. But anyway, that holds, keeps the weather out of that mechanism. Then you can reach in here. I don't know how well you can see it. Let me try it this way. This mechanism right here that thing was just covering, on the back side, there's one that has a cable going to it that you can see. And if you can see my finger moving this thing here where the cable goes, but that releases the latch, and then give it a nice shoulder block because it's stuck. Let me see if I can get that open now that I got all the crap off of it. And yeah, so it doesn't make a complete fool of me. Let me see if I can get that to come open now the rest of the way. It's kind of hard to, there it goes. Whew, it's hard to get in there and pull that thing from where I was, but it's right here, right there where that cable's going in, that the flashlight's touching there, and this little piece right here behind it, right, you can feel it with your finger. You can see it moving, that latch. Well, that's what you got to pull. This one took a heck of a pull and a shoulder block, but it's open now. I'll show you how to put that rubber thing back in. Maybe you just got to kind of reach your hand in and pull it through that hole right there. But so if you get your hatch, won't open from the outside, you can get it from the inside without tearing anything up. So hope that helps somebody. Thanks a bunch for watching. Like and subscribe to my videos, please. Thank you.